Hi, I'm Veda More. I'm working professional. I am a public relation and a digital marketer. And I found Habitat or the embroidery course that I'm doing that I was doing and I recently completed via Instagram. I chose online learning or all of this because I'm a working professional. I couldn't spare more time, going somewhere, traveling, and also because of the entire pandemic situation. So I think learning anything, learning a new skill online was the best way to utilize that time which I wasn't investing in traveling while I was reaching work. I'm at the comfort of my place. I get to learn a lot of other things through one app or through one site. Saves me the traveling time that I will spend in offline learning. I joined in for embroidery, and my mentor was Meenal Koch. So Meenal was one of those mentors who doesn't keep anything up her sleeve. She'll answer each and everything that was asked to her, and she would be very upfront about giving insights of how it is done and how brands work or how whatever she was teaching us through embroidery and jewelry making, she was very open about it. She did not keep anything in her pockets. This is not something I want to tell her. Let's just give them a little side of this and that. She was very open about it. That was one of my, I think that was one of the things that I'm hesitant about taking up online courses. That one is you don't get to interact much, but then when it comes to this course, like the interactions was par. Like we could text her whenever on the groups. She would guide us at any point of time whenever we were in difficulties or anything like that. So that is where it exceeded my expectations. She taught us right from the basics to the end product. She guided us through every little process that was in the thing. We had a few housewives on the what do you say, in the sessions or the while the course was going on. So they were not that tech savvy. So she used to help them find out links and how things used to work for them to get those source those materials for the classes and everything. I knew that I wanted to do something out of it, but this course helped me do something more. Like it helped me grow as, like from a hobby, I'm thinking of taking this ahead as a business. So after that course, I'm trying to build my own collection and everything, and I might release it in the coming year. Everybody used to say appreciate each other's design, each other's work, and what could help them get the materials from somewhere. So most of the time, because we were all around India, like I know one of them stayed in Pune, one of them stayed in Bangalore, but then we would find each other things from Amazon and stuff. Like this is something that you can get, or if we were in the same city, we could just share those supplies because we were just learning and we needed a small amount. So it wasn't very formal. It was like, okay, we've been there for like months and months, even though it was like a very short course. Through this online course, I could find the time to sit at home, learn a few things, and brush up my skills for embroidery. So I knew embroidery, I knew the basics, but this course helped me to polish my skill to a level where I could make money out of it. So after my course has been complete, I am so confident that I can sell those and people are going to buy it from me. Like people are going to spend to get this for them. So this is what has actually helped me post the course or post learning with Habitat.